So you've tried to pump up a tire and found that it's flat. It's not holding pressure, so you know you have to change the tube. The first step to take the wheel off the bike is to open the brake up. On a road bike with a side pull brake like this, it will have a release mechanism to open the brakes up to allow the tire to pass by the pads. Other bikes will have brakes that look like this. This is called a linear pull brake. The step involved to opening this brake up is holding this little bracket at a right angle to this arm. Hold it still, pull at this thing called a noodle to release it from this bracket. Then they'll open up. I'm going to do that again so you can really get a good idea of how that mechanism works. That is it properly seated. The little boot covers that, ostensibly to keep dirt out. So again, to release this brake, push that over, hold this bracket at a right angle here, pull back on the noodle, it'll come free of that slot, then the brake will open up. Third type of brake that you may come across is this. This is a cantilever brake. This mechanism unhooks by grasping this yoke here firmly with one hand and pulling it out from the side of the brake here. That'll allow this type of brake to open up. Some bikes are equipped with the brake release located at the lever. In the case of this style of brake lever, it's right here. By pushing this pin inward, it allows the lever to come up further, thereby allowing the brake to open up far enough for you to remove the wheel.